YouTubesters. Hope everyone's well. I'm going to do my best not to yawn as much today. Oh, my bollocks, I'm going to yawn. Yeah. I had to wake up early today. Had a blood test for my diabetes type 2. So, yeah, what can I say? Just got to wait for results. Don't switch this bloody wipers off, man. Just have to wait for results. Come on, focus. Don't know what to do, you know. I've got an airport run tomorrow to Manchester Airport. All I was told is 11:30 at night. What I don't know is that the time they land? Is that the time they come out? I haven't got the foggiest idea. So, yeah. I've kind of don't know if I said it in my last video, kind of shot myself in the foot, or pre-booked myself, double booked myself. For those who remember, I might have said it, I've got London Airport job next week on the 17th or 18th or something. No, 17th. And because of 9 hours driving time, sorry, when I drive, like I'm driving back from London, and I should be back for 6 p.m. I'm setting off at 6 a.m. I'm coming back 6 p.m. Get me facts right. The other driver has basically hired me, so to speak. He's driving there, but because he's got work in the morning, he wants me to drive back. So I'll have to drive back. But driving back, I don't know if it will affect me driving hours, because I'll have to go again for an early morning pickup to Birmingham Airport. That's going to be 2 a.m. So that'll be interesting. Excuse me a second. Oh, I farted. Something you don't hear on YouTube. Oh God, that stinks. Yeah, so anyway, you know what? Put me window down. So yeah, I don't know if it'll affect me driving hours. Somebody will probably correct me. Somebody probably won't. So either way, don't know what to do. I'll wait till next week. If I can drive back from Birmingham, it's about 80 quid in my pocket. If I don't drive back from Birmingham, it's 80 quid out of my pocket, because obviously I got prepaid for it. So I'm going to see what's what. It's alright saying it now. Oh, I can drive back. But once you've driven from London to stupid Sheffield, junction 34 off the M1, you know what I mean? Do you really want to drive back to Birmingham Airport for 2 a.m? Then you're going to drive from Birmingham Airport all the way to Doncaster, for those who know Doncaster. then I won't be back home till like 4:30 latest. Which basically means I've been out 24 hours. So that's going to be a bit of a pickle. I don't know what to do, you know. It is what it is, I guess. I'm gonna make this video short today, and yeah, see what happens. So yeah, guys, thanks for your likes, comments, blah blah blah. But no new subscribers, you know what I mean. If you stay, you stay. If you don't, you don't wanna. But see what happens, innit? This guy looks lost. Anyway, thank you guys for those who have stayed. So thumbs up, and yeah, don't know what else to say, you know. If you guys want to talk about something, let me know in the comments. But if not, then we'll talk about something else. Yeah. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. And remember, if I do upload videos, it's going to be about this time, about 10-11 o'clock. And I'll try and do some morning and afternoon videos for you guys as well. But you know, I don't really plan my videos. I don't rehearse my videos on what I'm going to say. What I say is what I say. Some people have it in the script, I just don't. But yeah, guys, see you later. Bye.